Took me forever to figure out how to record with this camera. Hello, good morning, welcome to another hair tutorial by me. Today we're going to be I'm going to be showing you, I mess that up every single time. Today I'm going to be showing you my low side bun, one of my go-to hairstyles. I don't want to use any bobby pins, I just want it super quick. This is basically the style that I do all the time. There's several ways that you can dress it up or you can dress it down, whatever you want to do. So let's get started. I'm going to use my ginormous hair ties. As always, you're going to do your normal part. Gonna make that a little more straight, and then you're just going to pull your hair all to the side. You're going to pull some hair out like so, give yourself some volume. It's easier to pull out and to get more volume when your hair is more dirty, but if your hair is clean, I would definitely suggest getting a texturizing dry shampoo, and this one you can get at Walmart. To do any kind of poof up here, any volume, definitely use a texturizing dry shampoo first and then do your hairstyle, and also get a volumizing hairspray. That also works really well. My side buns, I always use another ponytail, just one, and then a chopstick. This was actually my mom's that she let me use when I kind of took home with me. And the cool thing with these is you can go to Michael's, you can go to Walmart, any kind of store that has a crafting section, and you can get beads or little gems, and you can super glue them or hot glue them to the end. And then when you do your buns, it kind of is like a little decorative piece, and you have your own custom made little hairpin. And you can also do this with bobby pins too. You don't have to use a pig. When my ponytail is on this side, I always bring my hair over to the opposite side and twist it, because when I wrap my hair around, it's just the way I form my bun. So I always bring my hair to the opposite side, and you're just twisting. So as I twist, I'm going to wrap my hair around, hold, and then when I get around once, I kind of pull my hair over and I just keep twisting. And then I let some hair hang out. I get my ponytail and I just wrap it around the whole bun. I grab some hair like so, not a ton, and then I pull and I go under, just like you do your bobby pins. Go to your head and then go diagonal through, and then this is going to go through the ponytail that's securing your hair and your whole bun, and so now it's nice and secure. And then you have this extra hair that you can pull out, you can lay it flat, and then that's how you can make it a little more fancy. You can leave the ends longer, curl the ends, and then pin those in your bun, or you can leave it out so it's like a little dangly. And then you can use hair clips to do a hairpin here. Pull this out a little more. This is how I had my hair Sunday. So kind of showing y'all what I did. And then another hairpin going down the opposite way, like so. Yep, there you go. And so that is my easy low side bun. Super easy. I use the pick because it helps. And again, if you add gems or something and you make it a little bit longer, you don't cut it down so short. you'll have a little nice decorative piece. Okay, I hope you guys like it.